Hello friends, I'm Mariam from Victory for Champions. I'm a martial arts coach and a public speaker. Today I'm going to tell you that how can you build confidence. Before we move forward, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you subscribed it. Please subscribe my channel guys, and so that you can get more and more motivational stuff and the other stuff related to martial arts. So, let's move forward towards today's topic. How can you build confidence? As we all know that confidence is a very key tool to move in life, whether it's your professional life, whether it's your student life, or in your personal life or your relationship life. Your confidence is very important, very key role in your life. So most of the people ask, how can we build it? Or the second thing that most of the people think that confidence is something that we are born with. So yes, it's true that confidence is something that we are born with. I will say actually that confidence is something with which we all born with. It's not that some people are born with confidence and some people are not born with confidence. But we lose our confidence in a process of our growing up. Because whenever we try to behave confidently in our childhood, there are so many people who stop us by saying this, that what are you doing, what people will say about you, don't speak so louder, don't act like that, don't laugh like that, and so many things that we hear from our parents and other people around us, which those things affect our confidence. And with the passage of time, our all confidence just diminish. And when we grow up and become an adult, we are totally deprived of confidence. There is no confidence remain in our personality, and we think it was never in our personality, but which is wrong. We all are born with confidence, but it just removed in the process of our growing up. So now question is this, that the confidence that is somewhere lost in the process of our growing up, how can we build it again? So here I want to tell you one thing, that you can build it. As the famous actress and the famous public figure Priyanka Chopra, who is an Indian actress, you definitely know about her, that she tells us that confidence is like a muscle, you can build it. So yes, I will emphasis on the point of Priyanka Chopra, that yes, confidence is a muscle, you can build it up. This is, and I add in this that this is the muscle that get weaker and weaker in the process of our growing up. And when we become adult, and when we become aware of its importance, and we see that this muscle is very weak, so now you can start working on it. It's not something which you one you have lost, you cannot gain it. It is like a muscle, and if some muscle is weaker, what will you do? You will do exercises, you will do practices to build it up again, so you can build your confidence again. And now how can you build this muscle? You can build this muscle by practicing. Okay, and what practices you have to do? First of all, what is the main thing that is the reason of weaken this muscle? That is, what will people say? We all the time listen that what will people say, and we think what will people say if we behave confidently, what will people say if we will do this thing, and what will people say if we will do that things. So first of all, if you want to build this muscle of confidence, you have to stop thinking about what will people think, because whenever you will do something, definitely people will have opinion about that, definitely people will say something. So don't care about that. Just do your things. Just behave yourself. Just behave as you are, who you are. Don't need to think about the people. So if you stop thinking about the people, what people are saying about you, what people are making opinion about you, you will see that with the passage of time, your muscle of confidence will start to build up, because we have put so many shields on our us, because we are scared of the people. That's why we are not behaving ourselves. We just put so many shields on us, and when you start to put out all these sheets which you have put on your personality, on your body, you will start to behave yourself, and your confidence will start to groom or start to build. So second important thing by using which you can build your muscle of confidence is this, that go to the places which you are afraid of. Do the things which are you afraid of. Talk to the people which you are afraid of. So do all the things which you are afraid of. Okay, when you start to push yourself into the situations where you were always scared of going and scared of doing, so you will see that your confidence is grooming. Once you have done that thing that you were scared of doing in the past, you will see your confidence enhancing. Your confidence is building up. So third important thing that is very important key to build your confidence is that believe in yourself. Because if you believe in yourself, you will definitely be confident in your personality, in your body, in your looks, in your speaking style, with your vision, with your perspective. So unless you don't believe in yourself, you won't be confident about yourself. You won't be confident about your body. You won't be confident about the things that you are speaking. You won't be confident about the things that you are doing. So if you want to build your confidence, you have to first believe in yourself. It's very important to believe in yourself. So believe in yourself, it's third. And fourth thing is this, which is also very important, that practice your confidence in front of mirror. Face yourself, see yourself in the mirror, and practice your confidence, and act yourself who you are in front of the mirror. So mirror practicing is also very important to build your confidence. And the last thing is this, that go to the social kind of the meetings and parties and social gatherings. So there when you will meet more and more people, and when you go to such places, share your opinion with other people, talk to other people. It will remove your hesitation, and in this way your confidence will be increased. So these are the 5 tips which are very helpful to build your confidence. Please tell me if you feel these tips worthy to build your confidence, and it helps you to build your confidence. This was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please like the video, guys, so that I get encouraged and I make more videos for you. And please, in the comment box, share your opinion about this topic. And this was today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mariam signing off from Victory for Champions. Bye bye.